Sintron ST-002 11OV coin-operated timer control. Power box for electronic device vending machine. Gaming machines, massage chairs, shoe polishers, washing machines, chargers, dryers, auto car wash, PCs. Brand Sintron. Operating system DOS. CPU model 5x86. CPU speed 1s. Graphics card description dedicated. Memory storage capacity 1 GB. Specific uses for product gaming. Screen size to 0.4 inches. RAM memory installed size 1 GB. Model name Street Box. Super power. This is Sintron's new design for US, Canada. Up to 110 volts, 120 V. 16A electronic devices, such as washer. We might be the only one that manufacture this on market for now. Multi-application coin-operated timer control. Box can be used in a lot of public places. Gaming machines, massage chairs, washing machine, shoe polishers, chargers, and PCs. Qualified product. We have applied patent for this. All cables used would meet the regulation to protect your safety. Control device time. This is used to control the time of your electronic device. You can insert coins and decide the price and the time that you would like your device to run. Service guarantee. Your satisfaction is our priority. Please contact us first when you have any problem. We will give you the best service and solve the problem ASAP. Thank you so much. Sintron ST-002 is a timer box used to control the time of your electronic device. You can decide the fee and the time that you would like your device to run, then let user to pay before using it. ST-002 can accept up to 6 kinds of different coins, and there's a counter inside for you to check history inserted coins. Many customers might use it for washing machine, charging station, kiosk, arcade game, kiddie ride, RV park, etc.